Everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with another haul for you guys today. So this haul is mostly Valentine's Day haul, and it's mostly some commentary on Joann's because I haven't been Joann's in a long time. So mostly Hobby Lobby and Target, but I do have some things, a few things from Joann's and Target, but not a lot. I'm sorry, Joann's and Michael's. So let's get into it. I'm going to go into my Michael's and my Joann's. Michael's had buy 3 Cricut things, get 1 free. I didn't need a lot of stuff. If I needed, vinyl, that might have been good, but I had purchased a lot of vinyl on sale at Michael's a while before Christmas. So I did get these. I got 2 of these. I thought these would be really cute for little shirts for my daughter and my niece, who are currently both the same age right now. They're both 10 till Lily turns 11. My daughter in, May, the end of May is her birthday. So they still like wearing matching shirts. They love each other to death. They are like the bestest of friends. They're basically like sisters. They're so close in age. So then I got 2 of these because I'm thinking of making something, maybe getting a canvas bag or something, and doing this as a teacher gift and putting some stuff in the bag for the end of the year teacher project. So I got those. Then also Joann's had a 40% off regular price on everything coupon, which Michael's honored. The thing is that a lot of things were on sale, so you don't get anything if it's on sale. But I did get 40% off of this. I went there because the website said they had the stamp set, and I got there and they did not. So I was super disappointed. I really wanted that stamp set. But I don't know, whatever. But I got 40% off the die cut stickers from Sweet Kawaii. I don't know. I've been following her forever and actually purchased from her when her shop was pretty new. So from Instagram. So she's Sweet Quiet Design on Instagram. And anyway, very cute. Her stuff's really cute. So I did get that from her at 40% off. And I told myself I was not going to buy any stickers, but I had to buy these ones because they're so unbelievably adorable. Like, I can't even stand it. So, and this is Shine Sticker Studio. Both these things were $5, but they were 40% off, so they were a really good deal. And then this was also $5. They have a bunch of, they had a 12 by 12 as well of sticker. Okay, so it's glitter paper, but it's slick. So when you touch it, it feels slick, not like glitter. So I guess maybe no mess. Maybe it's going to cut really well. I don't know. I'll have to test it out. It's 4.5 by 6.5, and you get 12 sheets for $5, which I think is kind of pricey, but I got 40% off on it. So it's $3 I can do for $3. And then I did buy a stencil just to play around with. And this was $4.99, but 40% off. So I thought, no biggie, I'll get it. So they had a ton of these. I wanted them all, but I don't need all of them. So I really was selective on what I picked. So basically for $5, they were 30% off. So they were $3.50. You get a little stamp and you get 2 embossing folders, and then all different ones. Now, this particular embossing folder does these large hearts, and then it does a frame with the hearts. And I shared one of my favorite Cuttlebug folders that I've had probably for at least 10 years. And I think my friend Melissa sent this to me because I couldn't find it here. So I believe she sent this to me a long time ago. I've known her forever because we went to grad school together. And so anyway, I got this one, which is a large heart, like larger hearts, and then a frame, and then this, and they had a bunch, and they're really cute. This was also 30% off. I thought this was super cute. And I love you a latte. Valentine, you're super sweet. You stolen a pizza, my heart. And it comes with these little dies for $3.50. So I thought that was cute. So I just got those. So that's my haul from Michael's. And then I went to Joann's. And the thing about Joann's is I had a 40% off coupon. I could not find like any Valentine's Day stuff. They had very little. Like it's like, I don't know if I missed Valentine's because they were going into Easter, but I found hardly any Valentine's Day stuff whatsoever. And actually, I felt like their craft section had shrunk, that a lot of things were gone. And then they had 50 or buy one, get one free stamps. They had some Jelly Bean I might have been interested in, and they had some cute stickers, and they had them all locked up. So it's like, I gotta go ask somebody. I wasn't sure whether I wanted it. I couldn't even like look at it because it was all locked up. So maybe they're having a big problem with theft over there, but it's not a good shopping experience for me if I can't touch it, feel it, look at it, pick it up to buy it. I have to ask permission to even look at it. I just was not happy. So, and even with the 40% off coupon, I couldn't find a single thing to buy. Couldn't find a single thing to buy. There was some slime stuff I thought about getting my daughter, but I'll wait for a 60% off coupon for that. What they did have was clearance on the iron-ons. So I did buy a bunch of clearance. These little ones were $1.97. So I thought these would be cute for various projects. I liked that. I think these were, I don't know how much those ones were. $2.47. Luckily, none of the ones I just bought were the ones that were on clearance. Otherwise, I would have been mad. I do what I want. So my daughter. And c'est la vie. So they were a good deal. And I mean, you do quick shirts or bags or all kinds of things for gifts. So those are kind of easy peasy things. So let me go into my Target. I think I'll do Target. Okay, so Target, what did I get? You probably don't want to see my hair dye because I'll be doing that tonight. I debated about getting these, but I thought it would be cute on envelopes. These were $1. These cute pencils. You know, I don't even know if I'm doing any kind of friend mail as much this year, but if I do any kind of wands or anything, these are really cute. And like these two right here don't say Valentine's Day, so I could use those anyways. I did pick up another heart doily. I really like the size of those ones. I can't remember whether I got this one or not. I know I got the white one. Maybe I got this one also, but it's the silver trim, like a scallop trim. So I got that. It's $1. And then, oh my gosh, I got these eyes. Look at these. These were $1. These are crazy. They're all falling apart too, but that's all right because I would use glue on them anyways. But they're like the eyelashes, googly eyes. They have glasses. So crazy. And these, you get 16 pairs. 16 pairs of eyes, I think, but $1 and really cute because that stuff's normally expensive. Oh, you don't want to see my bobby pins. Those are not exciting. Okay, so I love these things, these Cadbury mini eggs, and they have them, so I bought them. Blow pops. I'm going to be doing a blow pop project. And Hershey's hearts because they're good to have on hand. Cute bowl. Let's hang out. Super cute bowl. I had gotten a bowl last year. I don't know if I can pull it out without knocking a bunch of stuff out. This bowl. Bunch of stuff in it. I got that one last year. So, and this one's really cute because inside the bowl that I have that I just showed you says XOXO inside, and it's mint green, super cute. This one's yellow. It's cute too, though. And then I got one other thing that I wanted to share because I think this is super fantastic. It was $3, and it does stand, and it's really cute. So it's like this wood with gold hearts, and then it's got a little clip. So you can clip a picture, you can clip like a little scrapbooky page that you make, card, whatever. I just thought that was really cute. So I did get that. And then we'll go into Hobby Lobby, which I had not been in a while. I was enabled by Fun Paper Art. She did a really cute haul recently, so I went to go check it out because it had been a while. And their stuff was 40% off. So I did buy some things that I'm in the middle of working on a mini album for a swap. So some of the things I got, I think I might use. So I got these kind of resin roses in black and white. And then I do like picking up these gems when I get a chance. I'm hoping I'll have time to make some flowers, and I'll put these in the centers. Same with these, or in a rosette. I think they'd be really cute. And so all the Paper Studio, I'm sorry, it was 50% off. And then all of the Valentines was 40%. So I did get these because I also think I'm going to use these in my mini album. So even though I'm going to make some things, it's much easier for me if I have some things that are already made, because it's just it becomes too much. Okay, so here's the Valentine's Day stuff. So I tried to stick with, as much as possible, the ones that were $1.99, because that made them like $1.19 is what it made them, which is pretty reasonable. So I got those. I really like these ones. These are puffy heart stickers. And I got these. The thing about the stickers, the hearts, is you can use these year-round. So all of this stuff so far is stuff I feel like I can use, maybe all of it, year-round. So these are these lip gemstones, which are super cute. And then I got a bunch of these, which I'm going to be using. And these actually kind of go a little bit with the American Crafts stuff. These Valentine Paper Crafts Sweet Valentine stickers. So I'm going to be doing a project using, I got 3 of them, I think, maybe 4 stickers sheets, along with the blow pops to do treats for my daughter's class. So I'll be showing you guys those when I finally make them, but these are how I'm going to decorate them, because I got to make 32 of them. There's just no way that I can do 2 individuals of those. And then these ones. There's no way that I'm individually like decorating from scratch 32. I'm going to make a basic one, and they're all going to look the same. That's how that's going to work. And I'm also going to be using these hearts. So I'm going to be making a little treat box for the blow pop, and I'm going to decorate it with the heart and then one of these stickers, and that's going to be that. So I've got a couple other things in here. So if I do another challenge, or if I do any friend mail, I did pick up these Valentine picks. They do have them. I don't think they're as nice. They look like all the glitter's peeling off of them, for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now, 40% off, they were $1.20. So, I don't know. I got these because these can be used anytime. It doesn't just have to be Valentine's, but these are nice to have on hand for friend mail or swaps or those sorts of things. And then I got these puffy stickers, and this one looks like it's missing a sticker. So where did that sticker go? It's not like floating anywhere. So that's kind of jacked up. But anyway, they're super cute. Got little faces, like little emoji hearts. I don't know what happened to that sticker. It's just gone. I got the last one they had of this, which is these hearts with the eyelashes and the shaker. Super, super cute. Love that. So I have things in mind, at least for half of the stuff that I bought. So that's really good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.